Hi guys, to all the YouTubers that are just starting, hi. To those of you who have already started channels but you want to grow your channels, hello, this video is for you. Alright, so the first thing you need when you start your YouTube channel is to get the right kits. Get the right kits for yourself, like a proper phone that is working, good phone. Get a camera if you can afford, but especially for the vloggers, especially abo vloggers, for you guys, you really need special kits. Okay, so in this video I'm unboxing I've already opened the box. Anyways, let me not say unboxing per se, but I bought these vlogging kits that I want to share with you. I bought it at Takealot, as you can all see, Takealot. Alright, I bought it at Takealot. Yes, so alright, so therefore these recording kits are very important, especially if you are vloggers. For vloggers, remember, using your phone only is not so ideal, may not work well. So I decided to share with you guys. I bought it at Takealot. It was on special. Right, they're running a special. The original price is 500 rand, but I bought it cheap. I'm not going to share with you guys. Go and run for yourself. Anyways, this is what it's called. Here we go. It's called the Vlogger. That's what it's called. It's called the Vlogger. Alright, I hope you guys can see it. Yes, it's called the Vlogger. Right. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the picture. This is basically what you're expecting to see from inside. This is what you're expecting to see. This is your expectation on it. It's called the Vlogger. These are all the kits that you're expecting to see from it. Alright, so let's us remove the Takealot box aside, and then let us unbox this. Alright, so we want to open. Okay, so it comes like this. You want to open here, and then we open here the main box, and this is how it looks like. So guys, for all my bloggers, guys, this is your solution. This is your solution. This is your solution. Anyway, so you want to be free, that you're gonna go around vlogging. You want to be free, that even if you're out of the house, you don't have to carry heavy things around with you. So this is it, guys. This is it. So let us take it one by one. Okay, so alright, I'll just put these ones, I'll put them aside. Alright, so basically this is everything that we have in here. Alright, so we have the tripod. Alright, first of all, it does tell you even what is included inside. It says it has one tripod, one microphone, it has a LED lamp. Right, and after everything, so what you do is we open this. This is the tripod. All right, so this is how the tripod opens. So this is your tripod. It opens like this. So you just do this. Okay, and then there is this here. You're gonna press this in here to open. So we press, and then we open this. You can see this, and we then open this. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna make my tripod. Here it is. Let me just put it on top of these so that it shows properly into the camera. Okay. Right, so you can adjust it the way that you want, in your own way. You can adjust it. Let me use my table. Let me use the table. So you put in your tripod. Okay. So it goes this way, it goes this way. Alright, then remember this. This can close in here, can open in here. Alright, remember this. So this is your tripod. Okay, then we go on to the next kit. So it comes with a flashlight. Alright, so you need to put battery on it. You need to put battery. You can see it does not have battery, so you need to put battery on it. Guys, this is so cheap. It's so affordable, even if you don't have money. So I'm trying to get battery out of my mouse, my computer mouse, a laptop mouse. I'm trying to get battery out of it. Alright, so guys, run to it. If you are a vlogger, if you are a YouTuber, please run. Okay, so I'm just removing these batteries so I can try them on the flashlight. Okay, and then we can do this together. So let's put these. So we're gonna put in the battery. Right, we put our battery, then we close. Make sure you put your battery properly. Then we close. Okay, so my battery, my flashlight. Okay, it's a small one because you're gonna walk around with these ones. So you're gonna walk around with these. So yeah, just make sure it's in place. Okay, so there we go. This is your phone handle, what to actually hold your phone. Right, this one. So this is what will hold your phone, and it fits on all smartphones. I'm trying to actually read here. All right, so these will fit on any phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. And then what you do, you actually do this to it. Right, so this is the one that goes in first. So you're putting the wrong one. This is the one that goes in first. Okay. Right, so once you put it in there, then at the back here you can hold it. See this? You can hold it to hold it like that. All right, so we have there, there's an option. There's this here where we can connect our lights. There's also here where we can connect our mic. All right, so then I have my lights. So I can connect my lights in here. You see this? I can put my lights in here. And then in here, there's this element here. You close this element. So my light, this is how it's looking like. Okay, I can also decide to change the direction of how this should be. I can make it like this, right? Then just make sure you adjust here at the back. You adjust here, in here. Just make sure you adjust it there. Right, so this is how it's looking like so far. This is how it's looking like. Then once we are there where we are, right, once we are where we are, I just want to adjust it, fix it a little. Okay, the next thing is to put it in the mic. Alright, so this is your mic. This will help your sound to be good when you're running your videos, when you're doing your YouTube videos. This is your vlogs. This will make the sound good. So you can decide, there are different ways you can put it. You can put it in here, you can put it in here, or in here. All right, so let's put it here first of all. So it can be in here at the top. So if you want it to be like this while you are speaking, you can put it like this, or you can put it on the side. So you can put it on the side. Let's try it on this side. All right, so as I'm speaking, the sound goes into that mic, but this mic has to be connected to your phone. All right, so you have to connect it to the phone. Right, the next thing is to put in the phone. So you take your phone, if you're using Android, or if you are using an iPhone, you see these stretches, right? So you can see, let me just show you guys. So I can stretch these, you see, to fit every kind of phone. All right, so I'm putting in the phone in there. So I'm gonna stretch this. Right, so there we are. Guys, I promise you this is so affordable. Takealot is currently running. Oh my god, this is how it looks. Now I can even close this so that I can use it like this. See that? See that? Imagine you're traveling, especially those of you that are doing traveling vlogs. Guys, our travelers, yeah, especially you guys, those that are doing traveling vlogs, you can actually just close it like this on hand and you're just walking around. How cute is this? How beautiful is this? Anyways, let's start. First of all, let's start by putting in the lights. So you can see there's a switch in here in the middle. Here in the middle, I'm not so sure if you're able to see in the middle here. There's a switch there. Right, so there's one is bringing the lights up, one is bringing the light down. In the middle there's a switch, so you're gonna hold this switch. Right, there we go. Just look at that. See the light in here. Come on guys, come on, see the light in here. So this is how it looks like. All right, I'm just trying to open the phone. Okay. Right, so I'm also just trying to open the camera just to show you guys how it is. My goodness, woo, my goodness. So I just added some lights, adding some lights. See what I'm doing with it, guys? For vlogs, this is so proper. Right, so we just managed to do the lights. Okay, and remember, you can actually adjust it. You can bring the lights up right? See what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? You can bring the lights down as well. Okay, this is me bringing it down, bringing it down, bringing it down, bringing it down, bringing it down. All right, you can bring it down if you don't want it to be the light to be too much. If you want it to be too much, you just bring it up, 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 up. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Baby, we are vlogging. Right, awesome. And then we need to connect the mic. So we need to connect the mic. Oh guys, I didn't even tell you, this is the best part of it. It comes with a remote, so I can actually take a picture while I am vlogging, and this can help me to actually stop, pause, continue, pause my recording, continue, pause my recording, continue. So guys, you have to actually connect it via Bluetooth. This has to be connected via Bluetooth. Okay, right, awesome. So then we need to, so we're gonna open. This is your wire connection. Okay, so it's not wireless. You have to connect this through to connect it to the mic and then to your phone. So you connect this to the mic and through your phone as well. Right, so you have to open it. So it's still new. We're opening it. Right. So there we go. We open. Alright, so this is it, guys. It's not too long, so it has to go in the phone. Actually, this goes into the mic. So you see here at the back here on the mic. Right, so you click in there, you see that, and then this part in here goes into the phone. So this one will go into your phone. Awesome. So it's gonna be like this. So you see I'm still holding it, although the wire and whatnot does not affect my video. All right, you see that I can still see my video that I'm filming very well. My light is still on and my mic is there, but it's connected to my phone. Right, once you connect it to the phone and you begin to record, it will then take the lights, to take the sound. All right, so it also moves every other necessary sound from there. Then it is this, guys. This is my favorite. It is the remote. It's the remote. You see here the one that says iOS, that's for iPhones. This is for iPhones. I don't know if you guys can see. This is for iPhones, the one at the top, and then the one beneath is for Android. Okay, iPhone at the top, Android beneath. Awesome. So basically we have to put it on. All right, is the plus where here either on or off. Currently it's on off, so you're gonna bring it up. You see the lights begin to flash. This means it's on. All right, it's on, and then you're just gonna go and then connect it to your phone on your Bluetooth. You connect it and then you begin to vlog, guys. So basically that is it, guys. So run to Takealot, guys, and get this kits. Very good for vloggers. So right now I'm holding it on my hand. You can also just open it and then put it, especially those of you that are doing like cooking shows and things like that, you can actually open it and just put it down. See that? Okay, and if I don't want the flash anymore, I'm just gonna put it off. So the flash can go off and I'll use it without the flash. You see right now it's sitting on the table. It's sitting on my table right now. See that? I can put it on top of anything I just wanna, because I feel like it's not showing. Yes. There we go. So it can sit like this on top of a cable, and then it's just filming. If you want to bring in the lights, guys, remember you just flash. You bring in the lights. The mic is there. Make sure it's connected to your phone properly, and then the remote is there. If you need to pause in between, to pause to start again, the remote, guys. This is very good for vloggers. All right, so it's a vlogger tripod stand and handheld grip. That's what it's called. That's what it's called. All right, and this is how it looks like on its box. It looks like that. Okay, guys, it is running on Spatial. Please run to get it. Right, all the best for all the new YouTubers that are coming up. Here is your kits, even those of you that have been around and you just want to make sure you grow your channel, getting new kits, affordable kits. Remember, here we're talking about affordability. It is affordable. Like I said, the original price is 500, but it's actually right now it's like less than 200, almost 200. it's almost 200. It's less than 200. So run and get it. Okay, thank you guys for staying up to this long. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you stay, make sure you comment and like. See you guys on the next video. Bye.